should do it. That should do it. All right. So I just got back from the office. So and apologies if I look like a mess. The reason why I'm excited is it's actually my birthday month, and when I came home, my wife gave me this. I have a good idea what this is, so I'm here to actually open it with you guys. And if this is it, it's the best. Let's open it now. I do it. All right. It's the Osmo Mobile 2. Awesome. So I tell you guys, you have to make sure that what you're into is actually something that your wife supports. If your wife doesn't support it, change your wife. No, I'm kidding. Change your hobby. No, no, it's a joke. No. One sec. Come here. Okay, all right, let's go back. All right. Next time, make sure when you're doing a joke, they hear the whole joke and not just part of it. All right, so let's continue. I'm going to unbox this just to show you what's inside, and it's not going to be like a full detailed review because I don't know how to use it. I'm going to learn how to use this first, but I'm just going to open it and show you guys what's inside this box. All right, so again, this is the Osmo Mobile 2 from DJI. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. So, okay. Starts off with some documentation. Standard documentation. There, oops, sorry. And, okay. The smell of new stuff. Alright. I think something's in there, but I'll check that later on. For now, this is it. It's actually pretty light. It's quite light, and it's wrapped in foam. I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but yeah, it's wrapped in foam. Let me just quickly check if you guys can see. Alright, should be okay. Alright, so here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, I don't want to make it fall, so let me just open it carefully. There you go. Alright, so what's inside? It's quite simple. There's not much inside. Your usual silica gel, and this is a. Alright, it's not a USB-C. It's just a standard USB cable, and your DJI or your Osmo Mobile 2. It's mostly plastic from what I can see. That's it. So yeah, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and play around with this, and let's see what I can actually come up with in terms of shots. I'll share that on the next video. But for this one, it's just a quick unboxing of what this is. Again, well, thanks to my wife, but yeah. I got an Osmo Mobile 2. Peace. Oh, sorry. And yeah, we're all here to learn or have fun. See ya.